Welcome to this honored assembly, where we honor extraordinary individuals who have made a lasting impact on history. We extend our warm greetings to all the esteemed teachers and our amazing students today. Today we begin our exploration into the remarkable lives of trailblazers, visionaries, and pioneers. People who have accomplishments that have not only influenced the globe, but have also sources of inspiration for everyone. Each story we delve into, from the exceptional mathematician Katherine Johnson to the renowned athlete Jesse Owens, serves a tribute to the formidable strength of perseverance, unwavering determination, and the act of overcoming obstacles. As we explore these biographies, let us be motivated by the bravery and perseverance of these exceptional individuals, contemplate the influence that they have had and the insights we can collect from their experiences.
Katherine Johnson, a brilliant mathematician, made significant contributions to space exploration during her tenure at NASA. Born in 1918, Johnson's calculations were instrumental in the success of several pivotal space missions, including the first American crewed space flights. Her meticulous work with trajectory analysis and orbital mechanics earned her widespread recognition, and she played a key role in sending astronauts like John Glenn into space. Katherine Johnson's achievements broke barriers for women and African Americans in the STEM fields, inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science and mathematics.
Mae Jemison, born in 1956, is a trailblazing astronaut and physician who shattered glass ceilings. In 1992, she became the first African American woman to travel in space, flying aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour. Before her historic space mission, Jemison excelled in her medical career, working as a general practitioner and practicing in medical research. Beyond her achievements in science, she advocated for science education and continues to inspire young people to explore careers in STEM fields. Mae Jemison's journey exemplifies resilience, determination, and commitment to breaking barriers.
Chadwick Boseman, an acclaimed actor, left an indelible mark on the film industry. Born in 1976, Boseman gained widespread recognition for his powerful portrayals of iconic black figures, including Jackie Robinson, James Brown, and T'Challa in Black Panther. His performances were not only critically acclaimed, but also celebrated for their cultural impact. Boseman's dedication to his craft and his influence on positive representation in cinema earned him admiration and respect. His untimely passing in 2020 was a profound loss, but his legacy lives on through his impactful contributions to the world of entertainment.
Thurgood Marshall, born in 1908, was a trailblazing lawyer and jurist who played a pivotal role in the civil rights movement. As the first African-American Supreme Court justice, Marshall's legal career was marked by his tireless advocacy for racial equality. Before his Supreme Court appointment, he successfully argued the landmark case of Brown versus the Board of Education, which led to the desegregation of American schools. Marshall's legacy extends beyond his time on the bench, influencing generations of lawyers and activists fighting for justice and equality.
Harriet Tubman, born into slavery in the early 1820s, became one of the most courageous figures in American history. Tubman escaped slavery in 1849 and subsequently made numerous perilous journeys back to the South to help others escape through the Underground Railroad. Her efforts led to the freedom of hundreds of enslaved individuals, earning her the nickname Moses. Tubman was also a Union Army nurse, suffragist, and advocate for the rights of African Americans and women. Her bravery, resilience, and commitment to justice make Harriet Tubman an enduring symbol of the fight against oppression.
Kobe Bryant, born in 1978, was a basketball legend known for his extraordinary skills and competitive skill. Spending his 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers, Bryant received numerous accolades, including five NBA championships and 2 Olympic gold medals. Beyond his athletic prowess, Bryant was a successful entrepreneur, philanthropist, and Academy Award-winning filmmaker. His Mamba mentality, characterized by relentless determination and hard work, inspired athletes and individuals worldwide. Kobe Bryant's impact transcended basketball, leaving an enduring legacy in sports, business, and community service.
Adam C.J. Walker, born in 1867, was a groundbreaking entrepreneur and philanthropist who became the first self-made millionaire in the United States. Walker achieved success with her hair care and beauty products specifically designed for Black women. Her business acumen and commitment to empowering others through economic independence made her a trailblazer during a time of racial and gender inequality. Walker's legacy extends beyond her business success. She was also a dedicated advocate for social and political causes, contributing to the fight for civil rights.
Kamala Harris, born in 1964, made history as the first female, first Black, and first Asian American Vice President of the United States. Before her historic political career, Harris served as Attorney General of California and later as U.S. Senator. Throughout her career, she has been a trailblazer, breaking barriers and advocating for justice and equality. Kamala Harris continues to inspire individuals, especially girls and people of young color, to pursue leadership roles in politics and beyond.
Frederick Douglass was born into slavery in the early 1810s. He became a prominent abolitionist, writer, and speaker. After escaping slavery, Douglass became a leading voice against the institution, advocating for the rights for African Americans and women. His powerful speeches and writings included his autobiography, Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass. An American slave exposed the brutal realities of slavery and became influential in the anti-slavery movement. Douglass's commitment to education, equality, and justice left an enduring legacy influencing generations of civil rights leaders.
Jesse Owens, born in 1913, was a track and field athlete who made history with his remarkable achievements in the 1936 Berlin Olympics. Owen won 4 gold medals in the track and field events, defying Adolf Hitler's notion of Aryan supremacy. Beyond his athletic prowess, Owens faced racial discrimination and segregation in the United States. But his triumphs in the Olympics serve as a powerful statement against racism. Jesse Owens' legacy goes beyond sport. Became a symbol of courage and resilience in the face of adversity.
Nelson Mandela, born in 1918, was a revered anti-apartheid activist and the first Black president of South Africa. Mandela spent 27 years in prison for his opposition to apartheid before being released in 1990. His leadership in the dismantling of apartheid and his commitment to the reconciliation made him a global symbol of peace and justice. Mandela's presidency focused on building a democratic and inclusive South Africa, and his legacy continues to inspire efforts for social justice and human rights worldwide.
Barack Obama, born in 1961, made history as the first African American president of the United States. Before his presidency, Obama served as a U.S. Senator from Illinois and gained national prominence for his eloquent speeches and vision for change. As president, he implemented significant policies, including the Affordable Care Act and the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, the DACA program. Obama's presidency marked a historic moment for the United States, symbolizing progress in the ongoing struggle for racial equality and inclusivity.
Jackie Robinson, born in 1919, was a trailblazing baseball player who broke the color barrier in Major League Baseball in 1947. Robinson joined the Brooklyn Dodgers, becoming the first African American to play in the MLB. Despite facing racism and adversity, Robinson's exceptional skills paved the way for future Black athletes. Beyond his contributions to sports, Robinson became a civil rights advocate, using his platform to fight against segregation and discrimination. Jackie Robinson's impact on baseball and society transcends the field, leaving an enduring legacy in the fight for equality.
Duke Ellington was an influential American composer, pianist, and band leader in jazz history. Born Edward Kennedy Ellington in Washington, D.C., he gained fame leading his orchestra, Duke Ellington and his famous orchestra, which was one of the most significant jazz bands of the early to mid-20th century. Ellington's compositions such as Mood Indigo, Sophisticated Lady, and his signature theme song, Take the A Train, are considered jazz standards. His innovative arrangements and use of orchestration brought sophistication and elegance to jazz music, earning him the nickname Duke. Ellington's contributions to jazz and his impact on American music has left a lasting legacy.